Pro-Forma brings everything into one place. From the organizer dashboard, where you manage your competitions, startup gallery, where you can browse startups and build your own startup groups, and your judges and team. Build a competition with your branding, prize, dates, and deadlines. Then define who can apply by industry, business model, company stage, and location. Choose exactly what founders need to submit, from an elevator pitch, go-to-market strategy, revenue model, to a video or pitch deck. Make questions required or not, your choice. Choose your terms. These are statements that the startup founder will have to agree in order to apply. Every application becomes a structured venture profile, making companies easier and fairer to compare. Once applications close, next step is to create the judging rounds that fit your program. Build a custom scoring rubric with weighted questions. Then assign judges by round. Either invite your own judges or invite partners already in Pro-Forma. As scores come in, Pro-Forma calculates question-by-question averages and organizes every judge's written feedback. You can also filter the companies by highest to lowest score and vice versa. When decisions are made, move companies into the next round individually or in groups. You can also message founders and judges from the platform. Then build a founder feedback report in minutes. Choose which scores and comments to include, keep judge identities private, and send the report through the platform or download it as a PDF. After the competition, every published startup stays searchable in your startup gallery. You can organize companies by industry, stage, business model, or program. And lastly, you never have to start from scratch. When it is time to run your program again, simply duplicate the competition and build on what you have already created. No more scattered tools, no more starting from scratch, just one platform built for organizers. Run your next competition in Pro-Forma.